Welcome back to Off-Road Diaries. My name is Jonathan. If you're new to the channel, this is Krista.
This is baby Miles right here. We're at Camp RZR 2024.
It's baby Miles' first Camp RZR. We're gonna take him on the Ferris wheel. Got some belts to exchange. If you guys are working on, or if you have an issue with your car while you're out here at Camp RZR, these guys will actually fix it for free. I didn't believe it at first. You gotta wait in line. You might miss a whole day of riding.
Most people drop their car off the night before it even opens, and literally, apparently the guy that parked first last night got his car ran into. Oops.
Yeah, kind of feel bad for him. But anyways, we're gonna go roam around. We're gonna check out Camp RZR. It's always fun, lots of vendors. If you've never been before, definitely a good time. They do it at the same time as Halloween. And Halloween, last night we went trick-or-treating. I had a horrible story, guys. I lost my freaking phone last night. I was leaving Oldsmobile. I had tons of night footage on it and tons of pictures of baby Miles, which is more important even than the footage. And I lost my freaking phone. Baby Miles is not happy about it either.
He's a little disappointed.
Yeah. It sucks, guys, but we went to the T-Mobile. I got another phone this morning. I'm not going to give up on it. We might still go and try to look for it later.
If you guys go back and watch previous videos, Coos Bay last year, 2023, I found my phone at a dune. I am the champion of phone finding. I found my mother-in-law's phone. I found my phone. I'm determined to find Jonathan's phone.
I'm determined to find it too, even though I got a new phone, which is awesome and everything. I need that thing back. So let's go roam around Camp RZR. Dang Brothers Pizza's hopefully here. We always like to get some Dang Brothers Pizza. And let's go see what we get into. You're being stingy on them belts, guys. But bam, we got one. I owe this to Mike because he gave me a new belt. And I told him I'd give him a new one back. So here you go, buddy. Anyways, let's go roam around. Baby Miles just hanging out.
Yeah, he just chills in this little koala pouch I got. The best thing ever. Well, actually, one of you guys, I have to go back and look at the card because I'm really bad at names, but one of you guys bought this for him.
Yeah.
And he appreciates it.
By the way, guys, got our buddy Pete over here. He's working hard, so we're not going to bother him, but All Terrain Concepts, make sure if you need some lights or anything like that, these guys do great. We run their pod lights on Sherb and on my RS1. It's actually these right here. They're really bright. We love Matt with MB Whips. He does lights as well, but we also love Peter. Okay, guys, so we have some Dang Brothers Pizza because it's the best pizza in the entire universe.
We caught up with some friends.
Yeah.
We saw some friends. We saw Kyle Litton and his cute little family.
Yeah.
Check him out.
Yeah.
He's got an RS1.
Yeah, Colin's awesome, man. He works with UTV Source. Has a really sick RS1 and a sick Pro R. And tons of cool stuff. He's a good guy too, good family guy. We love him a lot. He's got a good Instagram if you want to check it out. Got the Glamis bums, got buggy whips. Really like that 25 Pro R, it's calling my name. Really like that 25 Pro R, it's calling my name.
Calling my name.
Hint, hint.
I was about to say a curse word. Meow, meow, meow. It's, I get a new machine next. I get something. Not you. I get something.
Just ignore her, guys. She doesn't know what she's talking about. Got Havoc over there. Cool thing about Camp RZR, lots of vendors and stuff. But look at this, guys. They got an entire kids zone. Like, how cool is this to have like a whole kids zone? You got your own little electric razors right there. Little bounce houses, little track that you drive on.
Next year.
Yeah, Miles, I don't know if a year and 3 months is old. Oh, Miles is trying to eat the... Apparently Miles is hungry. He's trying to eat everything right now. PRP, which we are a brand ambassador for PRP. I'm just trying to get the seat lowering bases for my car. Yeah, I should ask you. So just hung out with Justin. He runs a lot of the marketing side, a bunch of stuff for PRP. He's kind of like a do-it-all guy. We love PRP. They treat us great. They take great care of us. They got some shirts for sale. I really am digging some of these. Ooh, Stormtrooper should get these right here. These, that's what Stormtrooper needs.
Oh, yeah.
He needs those.
Oh, yeah.
Steering wheels, quick releases. We got all kinds of stuff in here, guys. Got so many cool things going on in here. You guys will have already seen this, but We're gonna get an affiliate link with PRP so you guys can save a little money. How about that? We got Krista with us, everybody. We're here at Oldsmobile. We're gonna do some old school style video for a second. She's gonna take over with the camera. I don't know if you guys can even hear me. Oldsmobile's wild right now.
Oldsmobile, stop it! Hi guys! Let's do a little risky up the hill.
get sand in my eye. They get different. Those ones, yeah.
They don't. I'm wearing my contacts.
I've tried. I don't know how many different kinds of goggles. These ones.
Knuckles, I told you guys last year.
That was last year.
Listen, Knuckle Eyes, we're not sponsored by them whatsoever, but I highly recommend these goggles. They're the only goggles that I can wear my contacts and not get sand in my eyes and not feel like I'm dying by the end of a ride. So check them out. They're interchangeable lenses. You can also replace the straps, different bands, things like that. Match your machine. Jonathan got an orange strap, of course. So check them out. I highly recommend them. We're here at the drags. They're drag racing. Oh, look, it's a dragon. Jack. It's like Jack. What's that dragon breathing fire?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
As our first trip to Glamis comes to an end, it's definitely not going to be our last for the season. Thanks to everybody that's came out, showed us love, came and said hi to us, the whole 9 yards. But it's not going to stop here. We got tons of fun trips planned ahead. And shortly after you see this video drop, we'll already be on our way back. Leia's saying goodbye, I'm saying goodbye, and so is Miles. You guys have an awesome day. If you aren't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and a like on the video. Thanks a lot, guys.